Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also follow the telegram. I'll put the link to the telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's start with our trend. You will see that our trend on GBP USD, overall trend, is literally on a downtrend move. With what market is currently doing, market is starting to change its trend, which we are going to look into very soon. But our overall trend on GBP USD is a downtrend move. Now take a look at what market is currently doing. At first, if you take a look at this, you will see that this is your low, which is on a downtrend move. This is your lower high. This is also your lower low. Here comes the lower high. This is the lower low. Now this what market did here is your lower high, and markets drop to it has not yet formed the lower low yet, right? It's supposed to still drop so it form the lower low, but it does not do that. But when you go to your forward time frame, you see the market is looking like it wants to continue to push up, which I don't think it will do that. My forecast on Euro GBP USD is still to the downside. But if GBP USD keep pushing up and it takes out this week, this high week here, then it means our change has now changed to the upside. So we still need to watch out and see what market is doing. So if you just go ahead to take out this week, then we might now start forecasting for more movement to the upside. If it does not do that, the market will most likely drop. So watch out for what market does around this level here, this week level here. Watch out for it and see, and then we'll be able to determine what markets will be doing next. So just subscribe to the Telegram channel if you've not done that. I'll put the link in the comment section.